right, so today we are going to unbox these two Mazdas in front of me. This one came in a blister package. I just had to take it out for easy unboxing today. And this one, like I said, I just got this in the mail today. I bought this from RC Mart along with other models. But I figured, it's a Mazda day. We'll unbox these two first, and then we'll unbox the rest later. So just to kind of have a theme going on here. This Veilside RX-7, I've been waiting for this one for a while now, and I was kind of hoping Mini GT would produce the orange one. Of course, you've seen that in Fast and the Furious movies, but I don't think they're going to produce it just because of the licensing. I don't think they have a Fast and Furious license. So let's take a look at the box. This is the Mazda RX-7 Veilside Fortune7 in gray. It's a two-tone black and gray. Kind of a nice look. This is Mini GT number 1057. On the back, you'll see the licenses, TSM sticker on the back. Yeah, this is a bit different. I wonder, usually you'll see the company logo, like, when you've seen the Nissan one, the Toyota one. This one looks kind of plain. It just says Mazda Motor Corporation, approval number 20020. And then you have the Veilside logo up there. And this one is actually the same thing. I don't know why they don't have their logo up there. It's kind of plain. Hey, as long as they're licensed, I'm good with it. So let's crack this open. And it's crazy that we're up to 1,000 something models now for Mini GT. I still remember, getting models at 300s, and now we're up to 1,000. It's just crazy. Think about it. Here is the model. Right off the bat, I love the two-tone paint here. The black here is gloss black, and the gray is a bit, yeah, the gray is metallic. Going back on the side here, this is the passenger side. This car sports the 5 spokes, very detailed brush silver. But anyways, that's the side. Got a little side marker painted in orange here. Going on the front, you'll see a very aggressive look here. You see the Veilside lip here with the Veilside logo in the middle on the intercooler. The headlamps looks very detailed. There's a lot of details inside those headlamps. Very nice. And then the Veilside logo in the middle. It's not a separate piece. This is just painted. And then on the hood, you'll see a couple of ventings here in the middle. And then on the windshield, you'll see the Veilside banner. And then the windshield wiper are attached. They're not separate. They're not separate piece. The side mirrors are rubber, very fragile. So don't press hard on those, because it's gonna break, and it's a pain in the butt to glue because they're so tiny. And then again, on the side, it's the same as the other side as expected. Nothing too crazier, no sponsorship, no decals, just the orange side marker there, 5 spokes. Wheels rolls very nice. And then on the back, you'll see the Veilside logo in the middle. Acrylic taillights, very nice. And then you get the reverse lights on both sides here. And then you'll see the single tailpipe, single muffler on the right hand side, painted in silver. Very cool. And you'll see these air vents on both sides, some arrow on both left and right rear fenders. So on the base, you'll see the Mini GT logo with the car info right here in the middle, painted in white. Metal base, as you might expect. And the interior, This one has two red bucket seats. I don't see any logo in there. So they're unbranded, but they're painted in red at least. Very nice detail inside. So overall, yeah, this is a must-have for all RX-7 fans. And I really don't think they're gonna produce the orange one due to licensing, like I said in the beginning. So this is probably your best bet, unless you want the yellow version. I don't have that one by Tarmac Works. There's something is off. I don't have it in hand. It's just based on the photos. There was something off for me. So again, it's subjective. I'm not saying it's a bad model, but I just prefer this look. I just prefer the gray and black two-tone look compared to the yellow and black. So that's all. But yeah, this is I highly recommend this model if you're into Veilside and RX-7, JDM, all that's good stuff. So this is an easy buy if you ask me. Now let's go to the Miata. This is the Mazda Miata MX-5 NA. This is the tune version in dark blue. I don't have the stock version. I missed out because I think those were the early models of Mini GT. I wasn't collecting back then, and they're kind of pricey now uh, on the on eBay. So I opted for the modded version. I think I got the better version because obviously the casting is more recent, and I prefer the wheels. Speaking of the wheels, these are the work equip, if I'm not mistaken. It's very detailed. I'm actually glad I waited for the modded, or yeah, the modded version instead of the stock one. And then on the again, this one actually I opted for the left hand drive. I don't know why I didn't go for the right hand drive. Maybe they didn't have that on RC Mart when I bought this. Um, but on the door, you'll see a bunch of sponsors: Advent, Yokohama's, uh, HKS, Sparco, and then Mini GT down here, which is kind of cool. And these are not decals, by the way, if you're wondering. These are painted on the model, which is always good because decals over time there is a tendency to peel off, which I would hate. Um, for this model. And then for the kit, obviously I don't see anything special on the side skirt, but on the front end you'll see this lip. I don't know who made it, but it looks kind of nice. It made the MX5 looks somewhat aggressive, and the pop-up headlights are actually open, and you can't really close it. You can't really push it down. There's no switch here where you can toggle the headlamps on or off. I think this is the Mazda Unos badge. I'm pretty sure I mean, it's tiny. You can't really tell what it is. But based on the pattern that I can see, I think these are the Unos badge. But anyways, the hood looks very plain. The windshield wipers are embedded. And the hardtop, by the way, you can't really remove it. I don't want to force it, but you can't really remove it. So it's attached to the model. And then on the back, you'll see the acrylics. Very nice acrylic taillights, actually. License plate is blank. It's in black. And the muffler or the exhaust is painted in silver. Very nice. It's kind of angled, kind of cool. And then the base is metal, as you might expect. Interior, they're just black. And they're bucket seats right there. No logos, but they're just black, plain black bucket seats. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, this is the MX5, the tune version in dark blue. I don't think there is a new one coming out, or at least nothing on pre-order yet. So you might be wondering if there's a different color. I haven't seen any. This is the only one so far. But if you're looking for the stock version, they are in various color: red. I think there's a green one. Is there a yellow one? I don't quite remember. But you have a choice here, which is awesome because you can go for like the stock version if that's more of your thing, or the modified version. And in my opinion, it's a better model because of these wheels. These work wheels equips are super nice, and it actually matches really good with the Miata. So yeah, and that's all I have for today, guys. Two Mazda Miatas, oh not Miatas, two Mazdas added to the collection, and actually, I think I have a space for this too. But you'll see, I'm gonna put this on the wall now. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of organizing once I have more models um, on the wall display, because that's part of the part of the hobby, reorganizing. I don't know yet if I'm gonna reorganize it by color, by brand, by region. I still don't know, but right now I'm just collecting the cars that I like, and then from there, well, once I have everything on site, then I think it's easier to organize the wall display. So let me take you there. So this is the current state of my wall display. Not So this is not everything. I still have some models in the box. I'm trying to do like a little unboxing video for you guys and a quick review before I actually put them here. These are the models that I've opened already and reviewed. Some of them, but not all of them. But I think I'm gonna put the Veilside right below here, and then move my GR86 down here. So let's do that right now. I just hope that I don't drop these bad boys. So you're gonna go there. And you, sir, Mr. Larry Chen, you're gonna go here. And then, if I can just grab my RX-7, just put it right here next to the Veilside Supra and R32. This looks really good. I'm happy that I got the gray one, so it matches with the R32 Veilside and the Supra. So, and I do have the HKS version of this, but I haven't really opened it, so that will probably go here. And then the Porsche row or column, I still have an unopened Porsche that I needed to unbox and then record a video on. Uh, but yeah, Ferrari is lacking. He's the only one up there. So I need more Ferrari and then American cars. That's my John Wick Mac 1 up there. So the display is looking really nice right now, guys. So, and the plan is to have another one there and another one down here and another one down there. So total of 400. I don't think I can go up to 400. Well, maybe. I never say never, right? But I can definitely see myself getting two of these. So, because I'm already up to 110 models. So I can definitely see myself getting another one pretty soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, this is the current state of the display. Um, and stay tuned for more. And yeah, I'll open up a couple more, maybe Liberty Walks or whatever for you guys. So yeah, this is what we have right now. And yeah, thanks for watching, and then I'll see you in the next time.